Good morning all. Welcome to today's class on vector analysis. Today we discuss differentiation rule for vector functions. So these are the rules for vector differentiation. Let u and v be differentiable vector functions of t. Capital C is a vector. Vector C is a constant function, constant vector. Vector C a constant vector, and C any scalar little c, and little f any differentiable scalar function. Now the rule 1 is constant function rule, that is d by dt of the constant vector is 0 vector. Scalar multiple rule, d by dt of c into u of t, where c is the scalar, u is the vector, and u is a vector function of t. So this is equal to c into u prime of t, and d by dt of f of t into u of t, where f of t is a scalar differentiable function and u of t is a vector function. So that is equal to f prime of t into vector u of t plus f of t into u prime of t. Then the sum rule, d by dt of u of t plus v of t is u prime of t plus v prime of t. Difference rule, d by dt of u of t minus v of t is equal to u prime of t minus v prime of t. Difference rule, d by dt of u of t minus v of t is equal to u prime of t minus v prime of t. The dot product rule, d by dt of u dot v is u prime dot v plus u dot v prime, and the cross product rule, d by dt of u of t cross v of t is u prime of t cross v of t plus u of t cross v prime of t, and the chain rule, u is a function of t. So d by dt of u of f of t is f prime of t into u prime of f of t. When you use the cross product rule, remember to preserve the order of factor. If u comes first on the left side of the equation, it must come first on the right side also. Otherwise, you have to put the negative sign here, because cross product is anti-commutative. That is, if you are writing this as v of t cross u prime of t, you have to put a negative sign here. That is, d by dt of u of t cross v of t is minus v of t cross u prime of t minus v prime of t cross u of t. First we prove the constant function rule. Prove that if u is a vector function with a constant value c, then du by dt equals 0. Here u of t equal to ai plus bj plus ck, that is equal to the vector c, where a, b, c are constants. Therefore, du by dt equal to d by dt of c, constant vector c. So this is equal to d by dt of ai plus bj plus ck, that is equal to d by dt of ai plus d by dt of bj plus d by dt of ck. So this is equal to I into d by dt of a plus j into d by dt of b plus k into d by dt of c. So this is equal to I into 0 plus j into 0 plus k into 0. So this is the vector 0. That is d by dt of the constant function c, this is equal to vector 0. Prove these two results. So A, let u be a differentiable function of t. And c is any real number. So we have to prove that d by dt of C into vector u equal to C into du by dt. Let u equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, where f1, f2, f3 are real functions. That is, u of t equal to f1 of t into I plus f2 of t into j plus f3 of t into k, where f1 is a function from R to R, f2 is a function from R to R, and f3 is a function from R to R. So these are all real functions, and C is a real number. That is, C belongs to R. For Cu equal to C f1 of t I plus C f2 of t j plus C f3 of t k. Therefore, d by dt of Cu equal to d by dt of C f1 of t into I plus d by dt of C f2 of t into j plus d by dt of C f3 of t into k. So that is equal to C into df1 by dt I plus C into df2 by dt j plus C into df3 by dt k. So that is equal to C into df1 by dt I plus df2 by dt j plus df3 by dt k. You know that this is du by dt, so this is C du by dt. So this proves the first part. D by dt of Cu is equal to, therefore d by dt of Cu equal to C into du by dt. As C is a constant, U is a vector function of t. Now we prove the second part, that is, if U is differentiable function of t and f is a differentiable scalar function of t, then d by dt of fu is equal to df by dtu plus f into du by dt. So B, let u of t be a differentiable vector function of t and f be a scalar function of t. That is, f is from R to R. Let u of t is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, where f1 is a function from R to R, it's a real function, f2 is a function from R to R, and f3 is also a function from R to R. Therefore, f u of t equal to f f1i plus f f2j plus f f3k. That is f of t into u of t equal to f of t into f1 of t I plus f of t into f2 of t j plus f of t into f3 of t k. Therefore, d by dt of fu, this is equal to d by dt of f of t into u of t, this is equal to d by dt of f of t into f1 of t I plus d by dt of f of t into f2 of t j plus d by dt of f of t into f3 of t k. So this is equal to, now this f of t and f1 of t are real functions, so you can apply product rule of differentiation here. So this is equal to f of t into df1 by dt plus df by dt into f1 of t into I plus f of t df2 of t by dt plus df of t divided by dt into f1 of f2 of t j plus f of t into df3 of t divided by dt plus df of t divided by dt into f3 of t k. So that is equal to f of t into f1 prime of t plus f prime of t into f1 of t I plus f of t into f2 prime of t plus f prime of t into f2 of t j plus f of t into f3 prime of t plus f prime of t into f3 of t k. The club terms with f of t and terms with the f1 of t, f prime of t. So this is equal to f of t into f1 prime of t I plus f2 prime of t j plus f3 prime of t k. So you have this one and this one plus f prime of t into f1 of t I plus f2 of t j plus f3 of t k. Thus and this. So this is equal to f of t into, this is u prime of t plus f prime of t into u of t. So this is equal to f of t into du by dt plus f prime of t into u by dt into u. So this proves the second result.